Hello students, here we discuss about the general composition of converting any kind of sentence in English. So sometimes we need this general composition for arrangement of a meaningful sentence. So here is the general composition of converting any kind of sentence. So this is first come subject and after that helping verb and later main verb indirect object, adverb of manner, direct object, plus palace, plus time. So this is the general compositions, students. Later we discuss about the each and every topic of general composition. First we know about to make meaningful sentence. So here you see, I have talked about in general composition. First subject is come. So here we discuss in this sentence which is subject. So before recognition of subject I have told you to put who for a life before verb and what for a non-life things before verb. So we find out subject. Here we see the verb is believed and we put who believed. Answer is Gandhiji. So Gandhiji is subject. So first we write Gandhiji and after that we need helping verb. So you see here in the sentence helping verb is not given. You know about helping verb is, am, are, was, were. So this is called helping verb. So here helping verb is not given and after that main verb. So here main verb is given believed and after that indirect object. You know about indirect object. It means to say indirect object means live thing and here is not given and adverb of manners the way how the work is done, so that is called adverb of manner. After that we get direct object. So here we get ahimsa and truth. So we can write here Gandhiji believed in truth and ahimsa. You can write here also in ahimsa and truth. So that is not matter. So this is the example. So you can take another example and put through the general composition. So we can write here same this manners. After that you see later second example you can see also. You see water lives the fish in. So water lives the fish in. So first we talk about subject. So the fish is subject. The fish. And second helping verb is not given here, main verb. Main verb lives in water and palace. Palace is water. So we can write here same this way. After that, the second question is exam is asking sometimes. Find out sentence and phrase. Sentence and phrase. Find out how to the way we find out sentence and phrase. So here you see in the park. This is the example first in the park. I have told you a meaningful sentence. A meaningful sentence is called sentence. So in the park cannot gives a meaningful sentence. So it means to say in the park is phrase. In the park is phrase. We find out easily. And second, today is my birthday. Today is my birthday gives a meaningful sentence. It means to say This is called sentence. So this is the way to find out phrase and subjects. So let a different example you can find out from the definition of sentence and phrase. And after that, the examiner, third question is asking by the examiner, fill out appropriate subject and predicate. Let's be give subject fish. A fish, a subject is given here. We have to put at predicate. Predicate we put here. Suitable. So here you see a fish, and we add here the suitable predicate. A fish lives in water. So this is the predicate. This is the predicate you can add here. Same this way you can add subject. So this is the example. Call me. And here you add subject. So I can add here be. You call me, and they call me. So same this way you can add you, they, and same this way you can find out subject and predicate part. Subject and predicate part found out is very easy. So let example, he speaks English. So here we find out subject and predicates. So first we know about subject, that is a person or things. So this is the subject, and after the rest part is called predicate. So this is the way, students, you can find out the way. Till then, thanks.